Guys, we just literally bought a bike.
From school.
Yeah, from school. Free. And I'll see you guys later at home. Everyone, we're back from our school and we just landed. The chain's not actually on. Look. Yeah. A fully rusted chain. Oh my goodness.
Tires on an angle.
The rear brakes don't even work. Yeah.
And then the rear tires on an angle.
Yeah, so I've only noticed that today. Front brakes, they're just okay.
But a bit squeaky. No. Like
Oh yeah. Pretty squeaky.
The bells destroyed.
Right, we're gonna start fixing it in maybe after I have my snack. And you can guess how much we got this for, guys. We got it for free.
Yeah, free.
Yeah. I mean, you get what you get for the money.
Like, no grips as well. I don't know how you mentioned that.
No
Barry.
grips.
I'll hold it like that.
Yeah. So you know what these are for?
Yeah.
Popping.
No.
We're totally going to be doing like double backflips, wheelies,
Yeah. Like,
5 buddy hops in a row.
yeah. And we're definitely replacing the frame because it's a bit,
Yeah, totally.
We're totally replacing the. I mean,
We're going to get straight back into fixing it right now. Okay, guys, we're back. The first thing we're going to do, pump up the tyres. We've got the tyre pump, and we've got the tyre dice, since, as you can see.
well, let me check something. This might be
And-
really hard to take off.
Yeah, they are actually rusted. Hang on. I'm going to do it while holding a phone.
I'll hold your phone, little boy.
No. Wait. Oh no, my chain's in the way, isn't it?
Yeah. Maybe.
Oh, there we go.
You don't need that good
They're
boy.
poo boys. Oh yeah, we only need to take one off because there's only one in it.
That's why
Alright.
we really needed them. That's the only reason. Okay, so I
Okay.
do it.
We're gonna pump up the tyre. Hang on, we're just gonna show you the tyres.
Quite
Pretty
black,
bad.
it's even worse.
Right, okay guys. We'll come back once we've pumped up the tyres. Okay guys, we have pumped up the tyres and I forgot to tell you guys, we put some dice caps on it.
Right,
Because I got 2 for Christmas. And if you look at my bike, we've got grenades ones, super sick. But I actually got 2 for Christmas, so those came in handy. I didn't have the thingy on it. So we got,
Guys, and also leave a comment to see which ones do you think are better, the stock ones or the dice.
I think, yeah, but like the dice stick out more, but it look better.
Like this is the stock, so
Yeah.
yeah.
Oh yeah, we pumped up the tyres. We made £2 in profit in like 5 minutes.
Like, bro, our sports teacher, W him in chat, bro.
Yeah. Right, okay guys. Wait.
We're gonna wash it now. Oh no, we still have to. Oh yeah, guys, we're gonna be putting this rear reflector on, and we're gonna do a front reflector delete.
Yeah.
The thing is, the front reflector on Carreras just looks poo.
We're only going to leave the frame one on in case the next owner actually rides on the road. But we don't need a front reflector, bro. We don't need one.
Do you have your belt?
Yeah, we do. We're going to install it after we wash the bike though. I'll see you guys.
When we're done with the reflectors.
Yeah, okay, bye. Yo guys, it's not meant to be in the video, but we just took off the rear reflector. And just for fun.
Front reflectors
This is
for
what's
Harry's
gonna happen.
corrections.
Okay guys, we've just took off the front reflector. Oh my goodness. And then the bell. And no, we did not forget about the rear reflector.
We're washing the bike.
Oh yeah, we're going to wash the bike. So we're going to clean it with snow foam. So it's going to be fully white. And
then we'll show you when it's all with the foam, and then we'll rinse it, and then show you the final product.
we'll just take a photo of it and then show you after.
Yeah,
okay?
before and after, yeah.
Yeah.
You can do it.
Keep on squirting, bro.
This looks way better now.
Guys, we are finished washing the bike. My friend has to go, so we're just going to carry on tomorrow. He's going to come around. Taking off the brakes. There's some scissor marks. Yeah, scissor marks right there. And we tried taking the rear brakes off, but we couldn't. We washed the bike. This is all we've done so far. actually poop inside the handlebars.
Yeah,
we
we
was
recorded
doing that.
it.
Off.
And
Oh,
that's
yeah,
why
we
this
did
be on
record
the
it.
ground.
We're gonna put it in right now.
And I think that's a rustic
And-
part.
Yeah. And we'll see you tomorrow. And
Wait.
What is it?
What if we try and put the chain on now?
No. Let's just do that tomorrow, okay? So guys, we're just gonna end it here, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Back, and it's a Sunday. Yeah, happy Mother's Day. What you got your mum in the comments. So you're gonna be putting this bell on.
And then probably going to be taking the chain off.
Yeah, we're gonna be trying to put the chain back on.
No, we'll have to unrust it though.
Well, my dad is upstairs, and maybe he can take the chain off. Right, guys, we're gonna put it on, and we'll see you guys once it's on.
Yeah.
Back, and we put the bell on.
And it was
From
the
my-
easiest thing we put on or taken off so far.
Yeah.
Boys, the thing that we will struggle to is taking off the brakes.
Yeah. Okay, guys, we have actually realised the tyre is not actually fully pumped up. So we have good news and bad news. So the good news,
This
in the front, we've pumped it up more. Look at that.
And that's not a puncture as well.
But
This is not a puncture. But look, in school everyone used to stand on this, so now look.
yeah.
That's bad.
So we've actually got ourselves.
Super glue.
Oh yeah, see.
Super glue.
And now we're going to put this around the tyre. Then it should.
Hold on.
Yeah, but we're going to have to wait for it to like stick. Come on, we've put glue around it. It's not really doing a job right now. But
Well, if that doesn't work, we're probably out of options unless you use Gorilla Tip. Yeah, glue.
well, I don't think we'll have any. But if you can try bring this up.
Yeah. And also, guys, this is the world's first BMX with front suspension.
Oh
look.
yeah, look at that. We just put a little spring in it.
Yeah, so basically, Harry was screwing out a bolt, and then
We found a random spring and we shoved it in there. That was just called.
Look, now you can also kind of do Mama Maybach.
The music. Hold my hair like baby. I'm not Dre, but just like Kiki.
Yeah, that's it for now. We'll probably have to hammer this off
Yeah, hammer off the rim.
because these have no shot of getting out by a screwdriver. Oh, Harry, you're such a big genius, little boy. Now let's just rip it off. Try and get this off somehow, boys.
Yeah.
We'll just have to hammer those off as well.
Yeah.
So it's a big process.
Well, we're back. Guys, we're just hammering off the brake thing. Yeah. Look at that. Trying to hammer it
You
off.
have to hold the bike, little boy. Just gonna push it back so then I can. Well, we took that off, I think.
Bro.
That.
Oh my god. Syed, you're a maniac. What if we unscrew the bell for this? You're
That's the
right.
other side.
Right, we're gonna wait.
We're gonna try. We're gonna figure it out, okay, boys?
No, we're gonna unscrew the bell, but then we're gonna hammer it off, and then we're gonna
Yep.
put the bell back on. Okay? We'll see you guys.
I'll be back.
Yeah, off the bell, so then the bell didn't get destroyed, and
And yeah,
oh, yeah,
and yeah, this is what's gonna happen.
I'm gonna put it in my pocket.
So yeah, hold the bike.
Oh my god, we're putting the. Make sure to not snap the frame, bro.
That's not gonna happen.
Just make sure you don't.
What if I bring this like? Oh my god. You have to take this off
No,
somehow.
you're actually hitting the frame.
Yeah, but it's not gonna break.
Oh, the handlebars, right?
Or these are all grips, actually.
What?
These are all grips.
Oh yeah. I mean, at least it gives you more grip. Guys, our dad is actually so good that we've actually put the chain on and we've actually straightened the wheels.
What has he got?
There is bad news.
Can't put that brake on yet.
No, I'm just straightening.
We can't ride the bike on it. It's just going to be a bit rickety.
Yeah. Rickety dickety.
But the brakes aren't on at all.
Yeah,
And then there's the seat that you have to repair as well.
yeah.
So,
The hardest one.
come on, Harry. Guys, I think the front suspension isn't working that well. And, well, this is it.
This is the definition of a rusty chain, guys.
We will be repairing it, it's just that we'll still have to smash up the front brakes.
Yeah, because Dad was doing a bunch of
Work for nothing. Oh, Harry, the rear tires.
Oh, oh, what?
Okay then. We'll have to do something. Until next time, guys.
Guys, as you saw me riding it, no, not big back, no. Guys, you saw we tried to super glue it. The super glue did not work. But we are not giving up, guys. So we're gonna take off the tyre, and new tyres, well, on the rear. And it's only gonna be like 10 quid spent on this. So, and we're gonna film it for 20 quid. We don't want to spend anything on it except for the tyres, if we are going to. So, I'm gonna have to end the video here. We're not gonna make any more clips, but once we do get brand new tyres for this thing, I'll carry on making the part 2. So this was part 1. Thank you for watching part 1, and I'll see you guys in part 2. Bye.